There we go. Welcome to Blyton 2025 Mark 1 Action Day with M Sport Karen.
M Sport Karen, that's your new name.
Yeah. Yeah, so morning session's over. Lunchtime now, and we're going to have a wander about, look at some cars. Doing a lot of chatting, been out a couple of times in the Mini. Oh, it's won a trophy, this one. This is Ogle. What's the trophy say? Best variant or something? Best Mini derivative. Yeah, nice Ogle then. Rare. Oh, this is that thing Karen was wanting to look at. I was right, you see, it's got a Mini engine.
Of course, yeah.
And then if we look around the other side.
Is this where you say it goes from the back?
There's the diff.
Oh yeah.
And then you see a drive shaft going to the front.
And one to the back.
And one to the back. Pancake filter and just a standard engine, I don't know what size it is. Is that, I don't know what that number is, I can't hardly read it. It's 85H, so that could be an 850.
Just the wee engine. It's nice though.
Little M Sport
yeah,
logistics vehicle.
Yeah, I could say to Malcolm,
yeah.
I could do that to trail around all the kit.
Yeah, you can put a hitch on. It's got a hitch.
Oh my god.
And you can use it to tow up and down M Sport rally cars around and rafters and stuff.
Be able to move stuff back and forth. The theatre to the hall.
So this is where we park, top end of the paddock. Next to these rally cross minis. They're on a convoy in front of us. Karen got some photographs. We'll have a wander down through the paddock and try not to get run over. Busy. Oh, this is the one Christopher wanted to look at. But he's not here, so. You got some pictures?
Yeah. Got the engine, the gear stick. I like the back, I didn't get a picture. I like the leather back. It's got,
that's nice, isn't it?
It's got like a gearboy sticker in there. GB. See that here? That'll be edited.
Oh, something I need to edit. Leave it in. Nice.
I like it. It's tidy.
Coil and plug, yeah.
I like the dial there.
Fuel pressure gauge. It's
tidy.
Not a lot of room down there, is there?
No. At all.
Mind you, he's no more chopped out than Christopher's is.
I was going to say, because Chris hasn't got any room and he's got...
I think we chopped it off, but we've got a bigger radiator in the front than ours.
Oh yeah.
Our radiator, or Christopher's radiator, goes all the way across.
Yeah.
Still
vehicles.
Rather more than other people.
Oh, he doesn't bring the pickup. Well, there aren't many pickups here.
There's only one van.
And that's fine. No, there isn't but one. I'm a loosen.
Turbo minis, well okay.
The variety of it.
Oh, I shouldn't walk past that one.
Yeah.
Oh, the colour of that.
I'm just looking. I regret not being able to see these things when they were current. Yeah, you know.
Oh, look at that.
I'm 57, right? So I was probably 12 or 13, and not quite old enough.
That's a nice sports pack, is it? One of those 500, one of the last ones. 500 or whatever they're called. Like Craig had. So you shouldn't have sold. Yes, Craig, calling you out.
Have you heard of it?
From who?
Steve?
No.
I'm not even sure if it's still.
Kid, he's
With
sat
us?
next to a...
Yeah. What's this?
It's a lot of...
I know. Right, yeah, yeah.
It's like the headlights are kind of different on this. I don't know if it's staying down.
Headlights.
What do you think of?
Oh yeah, it's got the LED ones. I've got some. We got some of it like that for the clubby.
Ah, yeah, just...
That one that's in the container.
Yeah.
Yard or two, that'd be great.
Is that a more?
Yeah, over there. We'll have a look at that in a sec. Big engine.
Spying going on here, camera out, looking at things and...
Stick it all on YouTube, that's what I'm going to do.
It's that bloody... Where's that? Oh, it's up there, that... It was that four-wheel drive one, have you had...
On the right hand side, yeah. Oh yeah, the Clubman, yeah, I've seen that, yeah.
He's more fucking mad than you.
I know.
The amount of time and money you must have spent on that.
It's been a lot.
engine.
It's hard work, like. But yeah, it's a really nice conversion, that one.
Is it Wilkes Barre's?
Cars and car conversions.
Yeah. Yeah. But, no, I used to follow him through Yorkshire forests and all sorts.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I had a red Cooper at the time. Which I...
What?
Cute.
Yeah. Ooh, that's nice.
How much do they worth now?
Carrying spider mork, she likes. Fancy one of those, Karen?
I would have one, but it'd never be out. It constantly rains, doesn't it?
Yeah, not living in Cumbria.
Yeah, maybe if I had a villa abroad somewhere, then I'd probably have one over there.
Ah, yeah, that's fair enough. That's one award as well. So.
I do like them.
Best mini variant.
What is it? The Mork and the what's the other one?
Scamp?
Scamp. That's what I was thinking of.
Scamp's a bit more squared off,
Yeah.
agricultural, isn't it?
Yeah.
For want of a better word. Apologies if there's any Scamp fans listening. It was Karen's fault.
Scamp fun.
7-port with AMLs.
It's a straightforward swap over. Yeah. About 8 horsepower difference, and you got a better roar because the airspeed is a lot more, I think. And it is the noise. It is the noise. Makes you feel endless. What have you got?
1380 down there. But that's
You've been out still?
yeah, been out, but on the new disc, Cooper S disc as well.
There's one hell of a throttle linkage on that. It's Blyton Action, I think. That's right. Very quick turbo, went flying past me. But then again, so did a lot of things. And a nice fusion fab setup. Green and lime thing. That's nice.
Hang on a minute. You've got no one.
And yet another nice car. I was going to say I lost the Karen somewhere. This is over there next to the Domino, I think that is. Fiberglass, Karen.
Yeah.
Domino. I think Domino Pimlico or something.
Oh, is that
like
what it is?
Something like that.
I liked it. Pickups are my favourite.
Oh, there's a well-known car.
Steve Murphy, Billy Cooper, Raleigh. What?
Models. You should have a look on eBay. There's all sorts of models, Karen, if you're into that sort of thing.
Is there?
Yeah. On, I don't think there's any in the car.
No, but I mean, I'm looking at the dash.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I like looking at the dashes to see which ones have got lots of lights.
Thank you.
I wonder if we can put some fake lights and switches in Sheldon just for me to.
I can fill your dash with fake lights and switches if that's what you want. I always have a good stock of fake
What?
buttons and switches and illuminated dials and all sorts of that sort of shit, 'cause
I love
I like
it.
that sort of thing.
Whose was it that I was seeing? It was Richard, Christopher's, wasn't it?
Is it Christopher's?
Yeah, Christopher had loads of lights and switches to that. It was the Clubman, wasn't it?
Oh, that was my Red Hot.
Oh no, it was Red Hot, yeah. It was Red Hot, it wasn't Christopher's. That's right, I keep forgetting about Red Hot.
We keep seeing that for sale every now and then.
Yeah, so it's maybe
It's still for sale at 25 grand.
you'll buy it.
It's only 15 more than I sold it for, so I'm not going to buy it back. He's so whoever it is, he's sort of lumbered with it. Mini pickup, yeah, maybe just. Yeah, that's about the only clubbiest here, I think.
Yeah. You don't have one.
What's that?
Pickup. You did have one, did you not?
Yeah,
used to have the
Mark used to have one.
Yeah.
Mark and Perry.
I think Chloe wants a pickup.
I like these wheels.
It's like a mini minus, I think that is. Hard glass. Just rust.
Let's say that one.
Which acts replicate.
What kind? I wonder what wipers they were that Laddie will be doing. They were mini wipers. I'll fetch them. If I put them. If I can think where I've put them, I'll fetch them, and they might fit on that. Yours, but if, I don't think with one or two, whatever. I can always have a look at them. He gave me them because he just said, oh, what's somebody? He goes to like guys from like these auction mart spots, like bulk buys.
All right.
They were in among them.
Oh, there's a couple of states getting fixed.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that weather behind me.
There's another.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's different.
Yeah. I like that Richard Longman one as well. Oh, Duckham's, I always want a picture
It's
of
got
this.
quite a few flies on it all over France. See, that's a French fly, that one. Sprint.
Ooh, that's as long as yours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Down the body on. I wonder how many people hit themselves on there like tow bars.
I've hit the one in front of mine a few times. You soon learn to stop.
The old Morris Minor, sorry. Oh, my shoe! I do like these.
Yeah, be now, can't you?
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'll just walk right in front of me.
Miles away. Oh, it was. It went down really good. Oh, tongue out.
Right. Oh, we're gonna get.
I will have a look at this.
I'm gonna go for a whistle.
Alright then.
Oh, that one.
I might do the same once you get back.
What?
I'll wait until you get back and do the same.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, because we need to hold the camera.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm not
Probably
walking
on
into
my
the toilets
camera
with a bloody camera. God. Ooh. Weapon.
If you want to see that on track,
Go on YouTube.
have you seen it?
I have seen various footage of it on track.